Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're joining us for the first time, my name is Empress Bassey. Thank you for joining us on today's video, and to the old viewers, thank you for always coming back. I really love and appreciate you guys. So today I will be showing us how to get oil from avocado pear, and this is the cold method. There is another method you can use, you put that one on fire, but this is just the cold method. This one, all I need is sun. So what you need to do, you peel the back. After peeling the back, you mash it, then you spread it on a tray or something. I'm using two different things so that it will dry fast, because I don't want to spend 2 days on this. So I'll be spreading it and I'll be putting it outside under the sun to dry, so that it can dry fast, because everything has to be, should I say, black or brown. It really has to dry very well inside out. So that was why I had to spread it so it doesn't waste time. So now I'm done spreading and grinding. Now this is the dried part. The up is dried but the down is not, so I had to mix everything together again so that the down too will dry. So now after mixing it, I'm going to take it back to the sun. I'll leave it under the sun again to dry very well. I woke up very early in the morning to do this, so I get the whole sun. If not, I have to spend 2 days. So I'm going to add the other one too to it, because now it has reduced since it has dried a bit. So I'll be mixing all of them together in one tray, and I'll be putting it back under the sun for it to dry very well, so I can get my oil from it. So you have to mix it very well so that everything dries up, the under and everything. So I'm going to spread it again, and I'm going to take it back to the sun so it dries and it gives me the oil I want. I've showed us how to get oil from the seed in one of my videos. So this one is how to get oil from the pear itself, the cold method, actually the one you just need sun for. So that is what I'll be showing us today. If you want to get enough oil, plenty oil, you have to use plenty pear. This one I just used four pear, yeah, so I'm not going to get that much oil. I'm very sorry, I didn't know my camera wasn't working when I started this part. I'd have loved to show you how the dry paste looks like. Anyways, it has to be very brown or black, so for you to get your oil from it. So now what you need to do next is to get a cheesecloth and you place it on a bowl, and then now I'm going to squeeze out the oil from the paste. This part is actually the stressful part. You have to really squeeze to get the oil. My fingers, my hands, my shoulders, oh god, I was in pains. You have to be strong to do this part actually. So I'm going to squeeze out the oil from it. Like I said, if you want enough oil, you have to get enough pear. This one I only got small oil from it because the pear I used was very small. So you have to squeeze till all the oil comes out from the paste. So you just keep squeezing till the whole thing is dried, or till you get what you want. So this avocado oil has so many benefits. You can use it for your skin, your face, your hair, and everything. I heard it works for acne also. So I have so much pimples, I'm selling it, so I'll be using it on my face actually to see if it will really work for my pimples, my acne. So this is me squeezing the oil actually. I pray I enjoy using this oil. So if you've gotten to this point and you've not subscribed, subscribe, and you can also turn on notification for more interesting content. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe. So this is the oil I got from this thing, and I am already going to use it for my. So thank you for staying with us on today's video. I hope this video was helpful, and we love to see you on our next video, our previous video, and all of our videos. Thank you for the love, thank you for the support. We really appreciate, and please have a nice day and make your day count. Thank you. So this is what the oil looks like. As you can see, it's very easy to make, like it's natural. This is pure natural, like I added nothing to it. All I did was to mash the pear. I spread it, then I dried it under the sun, and the next thing I had to do was to squeeze, and I got my oil from it. So I added nothing to it, and this is the pure natural avocado oil. Bye, see you next time.